Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to tackle in an interesting problem, finding the center of a star graph. Let's dive right into it. A star graph is a special type of graph where there is a one center node connected to every other node in the graph, and there are exactly n-1 edges for n node. Our task is to identify the center node given a list of edges. Let's look at an example to make it clear. Suppose we have the edges 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 2 in the list. These edges represent connection between the nodes in our star graph. Visually it looks like this. We have node 1, 2, 3 and 4. Highlight node 2 as the center node. As you can see, node 2 is connected to every other node 1, 3 and 4, making it the center of the star graph. Our input is a 2D list of edges and our output should be the center node. For the input edge 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 2, the output should be 2. Here let's find the center of the star graph using Python. Return edges if edges in edges 1 else edges 0 and 1. Let's understand the code. We define a star class called solution. We define a class called solution and a method within it called find center, which takes a list of edges as input. In a star graph, the center node will appear in every edges. Therefore, to find the center, we just need to check the first two edges. We check if the first node of the first edge 0 and 0, is present in the second edge list, edge 1. If it is, then edge in the list 0 and 0 is the center node. If edge 0 and 0 is not in the second edge, then the second node of the first edge 0 and 1, must be the center node. This approach works because the center node of a star graph is guaranteed to be connected to every other node, making it a common node in all edges. Let's run the code. How this works with our example? Let's understand with the example 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 2. First, it take the first edge 1 and 2. Then check if 1 is in the second edge 2 and 3. It is not. Therefore, the center must be the other node in the first edge, which is 2. And there you have it. Our function correctly identify node 2 as the center of the star graph. This is a simple and efficient solution to the problem. Let's submit the answer. Okay, it accepted. We complete the streak 181 days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with more coding tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.